For many years, the controversial practice of third-party ownership, or TPO, meant that people entirely unrelated to football clubs could own the economic rights of individual football players, profiting off the future transfer of those players. So how do popular controversial practices like TPO eventually get abandoned? By studying the evolution of TPO in international football, researchers found that conflicting judgments of many constituents during the adoption and diffusion helped to explain the abandonment of controversial practices. The participation of third-party organizations owning stakes in football players was frequent in countries that had limited resources to develop quality club players. In these countries, a variety of constituents supported TPO as a socially motivated way to have external investors pay for youth football leagues, so that fresh talent could be cultivated over time. Those investors would then own a stake in players' financial futures as they became adult professionals. This benefited local leagues, national sporting delegations, and private investors, all of whom had diverse motivations. But as international investors spread the practice to the richer transfer markets, constituents began to decry the practice as a form of abuse and financial manipulation, even calling it a form of slavery. The secretive legal contracts that kept the practice opaque fueled an increasing number of conflicts of interest between clubs, players, agents, and investors, sparking further public cries from a variety of constituents to end the practice. Wonder how popular controversial practices are ultimately abandoned? If so, you may want to read this paper.